Hey guys, so this is a really quick video on how you can add a favicon to your Hostinger website builder. It's nothing difficult and it's pretty simple. So all you have to do is you're gonna have more settings here, and there you're gonna find the general settings, and there you're gonna find the favicon, and you're gonna click here update, and then you're gonna have like add image here, and let's say you're gonna have the images. You can upload a file here. Let's say I'm going to add a picture of me here, or like you're gonna have just a logo. And then what you have to do is that you just have to click on it and select. And voila, you got it. So this is how it's going to look like. Save changes. I'm going to update the website and view site. And there you should see it. Right, so that's pretty much it. You can have more settings, general settings, favicon, and this is the favicon, and you see the favicon right here. Wait a second, I can't zoom it more but yeah, you see that, right? And the favicon works great, and that's how you're gonna add a favicon to your hosting website builder. And thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.